So Oladance has an open ear headphone, onboard controls, even app control. With a 15-hour battery, it's waterproof, and a lot more features hidden inside. And maybe if you didn't notice, I've been hitting the gym lately. Probably didn't notice, but hopefully if you're watching this in a year, you'll look back and be like, oh wow, he really was hitting the gym. And I will be saying that these headphones actually played a major factor in that. So let me tell you more.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name's Danny Black. I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way, anything and everything that really comes my way that's innovative and has some really creative features. If you are new here and you like that kind of stuff, don't be a stranger to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Also, if you can click that like button, that helps out a lot. And I'll put links to everything down in the description, possibly even a coupon code, so check it out down there. And Oladance did send me these headphones and they're sponsoring this video, and I'm glad they did because they are the sport workout headphones that I didn't know I needed until I got them. Plus, if you're an outdoors person, like you go biking, you go jogging, you do things with other people, maybe even surfing or other high intensity sports, this might be perfect for you. And in the box, you get a really solid travel case, and you open up that case and you can see the headphones are perfectly laid out right here. Plus there's a little Velcro pouch inside of that where you can put your charging cable, and it's like a magnetic charging cable, and you can charge this thing up, which will give you up to 15 hours of playtime. It also consumes a lot less energy, and just a 15-minute charge can give you 5 hours of use. They do have different colors to choose from. I really like the yellow ones. And looking at them, you can see they are quality made. They look really sleek. They have just like a really soft silicone feel, so it's so comfortable to wear. You can see there is a lot going on with different sensors and different microphones and even speakers, but also you'll see that there's onboard controls, so you can power this thing on. You have volume buttons on one side. On the other side, you have a single button where you can press to play or pause, or even answer phone calls or end those phone calls. You can double tap to change to the next track, triple tap to go to the previous track, and if you hold down that button, you can access your voice assistant. Hey Siri, what time is it? It works great. You couldn't hear that, but it works for me. And with the Bluetooth 5.1, you can connect to different devices and seamlessly switch between them really easily. But also you can connect it to the smartphone app, and you can customize what the physical buttons do. So this is an open ear design to give you loud music, but also makes it easy for you to hear your surroundings. So if you're working out with somebody else and you want to have a conversation, you can still be listening to music and hear them clearly. Or if you're on a bike and you want to be able to hear the traffic. And also keep in mind that this is nothing like bone conduction. So bone conduction sits on your temple right here, and I am not a fan of that. It actually makes me a bit nauseous when I listen to music that way. This is something different. It's basically a very intelligent and powerful speaker that sits over your ear but not in your ear. And with those dual speakers and a Qualcomm aptX chip, plus their patented virtual bass algorithm, it utilizes high dynamic power, giving a 360-degree sound experience while reducing high frequency distortion. It's also equipped with a wind duct structure and dual microphones for precise sound capture. So if you are on a bike going fast, you have that wind going against it, and you take a call, whoever's on the other line is not going to be hearing a lot of wind scratchy noises like you would any other earphones. It actually eliminates that wind, and it sounds super clear to the caller. Now, when you put them around your head, you can see that it has this unique design to it. So it's really universal to anyone's ear because you just kind of angle it down and angle it up to where it's most comfortable resting on your ear. And obviously they're not separate earbuds like other ones are, which is great because then they won't fall out of your ear if you're doing something with high intensity. And really, this is very comfortable to wear. Half the time I forget that I'm even wearing headphones because they're that comfortable. You just don't even notice them. The other thing that you're going to clearly notice is that they don't stick in your ears like other earbuds do. Like, they actually don't physically go in your ears. They kind of rest in front of your ear, and that's where the OWS comes from, or open wearable stereo. But they also adapt an anti-sound leakage technology so that other people that are near you won't be able to hear it like you're hearing it. You're going to be the only one that can hear your music, your podcasts, or whoever's on the other end of that call. And again, this is waterproof with robust steel and mesh. It's also sweat-proof, so you can, have a really intense workout. You can go jogging in the rain. It's no problem. If they get dirty, you can just rinse them off in the sink. The hardest part about making videos about headphones is that you can't hear what they sound like. You'd have to just give them a try yourself. But you could see just how quality this is. You can see all the technology that they have. And do check out the link in the description for the most current and up-to-date price. And possibly there's a coupon code down in the description too, so you can check that out. But thanks again so much for watching and supporting this channel. If you want to see some other really cool gear that I've showcased here, you can click one of these videos that's on the screen right now, and I'll see you there.